Sunday, guys. Happy Sunday. So I'm just heading to my kitchen. I'm going to cook. I went to the shop to get some soap. I got some pork while ago in my sink. I left it to defrost, as what you would call it. Yeah. So I'm just gonna check if it's ready to cut up and season. This is it. Wild hog. So I'm just going to see if I can pull it apart. If it's defrost enough to pull apart. For you Jamaican wild hog people. So I think I got off just enough. I'm going to prepare this with some rice and peas because you know today is Sunday. It's a Jamaican traditional rice and peas. That's what we have on Sunday here in Jamaica. So I'm just gonna season it up and let it sit for a bit. As you know, I'm washing. I'm just gonna season it up and let it sit for a bit. I'm just gonna use my vinegar to give it a nice clean wash. I normally use lime or vinegar, anyone can use to wash your meat. You know you gotta wash your meat properly. So first, I'm going to use Onion, jerk Maggi, chicken and flakes. I'm gonna use some garlic and onion. These are ground seasonings. I'm gonna go in with my scotch bonnet peppers. Yeah. And I'm gonna add a little browning. You know it's stew pork wild, so yeah. Don't wanna put too much though. Just wanna put just enough. I'm gonna use this fork and I'm going to just stir. So I'm just gonna give it a taste to see if it's seasoned for my likings. I think it needs a little bit more brown, so I'm just gonna add it. And just a little. And there you go. There you go. It's all seasoned up. I'm just gonna leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm just gonna cover it like that. Let it marinate. Welcome back to the channel. So this is part 2 of the washing video. While I was recording, my battery died, so this is part 2. The pork is in the pressure cooker, and I just blend up some coconut for rice and peas. gonna set it aside. This is for the rice and peas. So it's on for a couple minutes well, so I'm just gonna check if it's cooked. I'm just gonna run some water over it. So it's cooked. So I'm gonna just transfer it to the pot with the seasoning with the onion, thyme, pimento, and all that. So I'm just going to transfer it. I'm going to let this simmer down for about 10 minutes. It's time for the peas. So we're just gonna let the peas come to a boil. Then we add a little bit more water and cover it for it to be pressured. I got some chicken right here and I'm going to French fry already seasoned. Can't wait to change this faucet. Someone is going to come tomorrow and change it. It's wetting up the place so bad. It was just for a time, but we're getting there. We are getting there. It's approximately about 4 p.m. now in Jamaica. The sun is still up, but it's taking its time going down. So we're gonna check the peas, see what's going on. Also, it's boiling up, so I'm gonna just add some water and just cover it for it. Yeah, I think that is it. That will do. It's coming down nicely. Soon ready. Coming down very nicely. So I'm getting ready to fry the French fry my chickens. So this is the pot that I'm going to fry the chickens in. We're just preparing our flour to fry our chicken. So we're just gonna mix. So we need to combine everything together. So we're gonna add our oil, our cooking oil. Just enough to deep fry the chickens. We're gonna add a pepper to the oil and some thyme. We're gonna just give it some time to heat up at the right temperature. So I'm gonna end the video. I'm not finished yet, but there are going to be clips up when I'm finished. There are going to be photos with the food when I'm finished cooking. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope that y'all have a happy Sunday. Stay blessed. Take care of yourself. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.